These are our positive affirmations for the day.
And we're getting ice cream.
And these are our wish lists. That's our schedule. And
my book.
that's the theme, insects. And we started with an hurdle.
And my book.
And Ovi's book. Ovi got a very nice book on facts, which we are going to read in between. So today we have started working on painting with insect, and it's going to be ladybug.
Yay! Yeah.
And
Finished.
we started by taking spring green and adding more and more yellow to it to make it lighter
This
and
is
feeling
spring green.
fresh. This is spring green. Thanks, Ovi.